An indulgent yet comforting dish that was introduced to Indian cuisine by the Mughals, Shahjahani Dal. This unique dish is made by mashing boiled chickpeas, flavoring it with a host of aromatic ingredients, and then making the texture silky through the addition of coconut milk and cream. Welcome to Gobbledycook. Join me in my kitchen and let's make this delightful dish. Start by taking a cup of raw chickpeas. These have been washed and then soaked overnight with water, making them almost double in size. The next step is to boil these. Take the chickpeas in a pressure cooker and add enough water to cover them completely. Add some salt to aid the boiling. You can boil on stovetop instead if you don't have a pressure cooker. Pressure cook the chickpeas until they are absolutely soft and mushy and you can easily crush them with your fingers. Blend the chickpeas until soft and creamy in texture. Finely chop some onions. Chop some cilantro as well. Take some ginger, green chilies and salt in a mortar pestle and pound into a smooth paste. Pound some garlic as well. Heat some ghee or clarified butter on a skillet. This is a dish for royalty, so ghee is thoroughly recommended instead of oil. Once hot, add some whole spices, bay leaves, cinnamon, cloves, black cardamom, green cardamom. Saute for about 30 seconds to release the flavors from the spices. Add caraway seeds. If you don't have it, use regular cumin seeds. Add onion seeds and give it a stir or two. Go ahead and add all the chopped onions and saute for about a minute. Add the ginger and garlic paste and cook till the raw flavor goes away. Go ahead and add some powdered spices, Kashmiri red chili powder, turmeric, cumin and coriander powder, red chili powder, finally garam masala. Add a dash of water if needed to prevent spices from burning. Stir until the oil oozes out of the spices. Time to add the chickpea paste. Mix until the masala is completely incorporated in the dal. Add some hot water to reduce the thickness. This is a thick dal, so do not add too much water. Let the dal come to a boil. While that's cooking, did you know that this beautiful dish has a rather sad story behind it? In the twilight years of his life, the Emperor Shah Jahan was imprisoned in the Agra fort by his own son Aurangzeb. Legend has it that Aurangzeb offered his father the choice of only one ingredient for his meals for the rest of his life. Shah Jahan promptly chose chickpeas, as he believed this to be an extremely versatile ingredient that can be used in many different recipes. Thus was born this dish. Back to our dal now. Adjust the salt at this stage. Add coconut milk and let it come to a boil once again. Lower the temperature and add in some fresh cream. Mix it in. I love the marbling effect that this creates. Once the dal comes to a boil, sprinkle some cardamom powder. Garnish with some cilantro and chopped onions. Delicious Shahjahani Dal is now ready. Serve with some roti or naan and get transported back to the Mughal times.